Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh Tiwari. Basically, I am from Bihar. I did my BBA from Institute of Leadership, Entrepreneurship and Development from Kolkata. Then I was searching for a job. Then one of my friend tell me you join a Evision Technosub Private Limited. So I joined a Evision Technosub Private Limited. Evision Technosub Private Limited, I'll join to better career growth and better learning too in software and hardware department. So I'll join a Evision. I learned about the many technology like Windows applications, network is related, many technology, Outlook issues, and what is the Outlook troubleshooting, CCNA, Windows, and many more things related to like troubleshooting, drivers, and many more things SLA. Okay, so when I joined Evision and I learned about the main technology, then I got a job in BALBHAS Private Limited, is the payroll company of Cognizant Limited. My teachers and my mentors always help me to grow and get a relevant knowledge and relevant skill in this field. So they are always help me out. So and this is the very better for my career growth and to get a job in IT sector. So thank you, Evision.